Let's make native seafood okro. It shall not only when we add snail, fresh prawns or crabs that it is seafood. Dry prawns, stockfish and Titus are also seafood. Meanwhile, if you don't eat okro, you are missing out on a whole lot of health benefits too. Okra is rich in magnesium, potassium, folate, fiber, antioxidants, vitamin C, K, and A. It's good for pregnant women, nursing mothers, toddlers. In fact, everyone. It supports digestion, balances blood sugar, lowers cholesterol levels, enhances vision, boosts the immune system, improves skin, and maintains bone health. It's also important that you don't overcook your okra. By the way, I'm not a fan of chunky okra. Feel free to do you. I added Peppersoup Spice to this just to show you can actually tweak your okra with other types of spices, even banga spice or suya spice if you want. And you know I always tell you to explore and try different things. I love adding leaves to my okra, different types. For today, I use scent leaves and Uziza leaves. And we enjoyed our native seafood okra with this swallow we call combo. It's a combination of rice and cassava. Tastes like poundo. Very delicious. Read the caption for full list of ingredients.